Sobrang bait niya. Sobrang bait ni Sofia. She's so down to earth, sobrang humble, and sobrang saya na we got to be closer with her. Yeah. We met her nung pumunta yung group niya here. We met them backstage. Di siya performance eh.
Like a collaboration with them.
Yes. Ayun. We met her there. She was really kind.
On Rana.
Yeah. And nag-vibe kami. So,
Yes.
Nag-British Filipino queens.
Yeah.
sobrang bait niya. Sobrang bait ni Sofia. She's so down to earth, sobrang humble, and sobrang saya na we got to be closer with her. Yeah.
Just her singing, like it's really great to see because like she's in a group as well and she shines, and we know absolutely how bright she shines. But her being in her natural element, just singing karaoke there, like as a Filipino queen
With all her Filipino friends.
she has all talent. It's so great, and she was just so happy to be in the Philippines as well.
Siya sobrang saya na makita yung roots niya yung theater roots niya. Kumanta kasi siya ng ng
Wicked.
Oo, so dun, di ba we see her as a pop star, ganyan. And pag napanood mo siya na kumakanta ng theater roots niya, parang, yan sis,
Makikita mo
yeah. Kasi, wow, kilapat. Also, her mom, nandun yung mom niya.
Yes, you're like, no, keep singing.
Si Sophia na.
Si Sophia talagang nag-libot siya sa buong tapos binibigay niya talaga yung mic. How can you sing? Oo.
Yes.
No to the birthday girl.
Si Sophia, birthday na yun. So, pinagbigyan mo siya.
Yes.
So, si Sophia yung, like, si Sophia.
Okay, I'm gonna miss.
Rolling in the deep. I'd like to believe yes.
Ang dami na po nag-represent ng P-pop ngayon. Lahat po sila nakakapag-sold out na ng concerts. Magkakaroon po sila ng mga world tours. So, talagang
Internationally. And masasabi ko po talaga, yung lugaran ng kung saan yung P-pop ngayon, iba na yung wave eh. Sobrang iba na, and sobrang grateful kami syempre sa mga nauna sa amin sa pagpupursige, kasi mas nagpupursige kami. To grow
Just
back.
keep flourishing.
And sana, imagine, hindi siya makita sa competition talaga.
Imagine mo, different P-pop groups nagsusold out ng mga iba't ibang stadium.
Yeah.
Kakaiba yun.
Ayoko mag-imagine ng like mga like goals for P-pop because like it's gonna be less.
Oo, ang
And
dami
like,
na eh.
things will just happen and surprise us all. Like, oh my gosh, P-pop girl.
Nangyayari na talaga.
It's happening already.
P-pop artist, thank you dahil lumalaban ka. Wow, ay, grabe. Dahil this path is not easy, and I'm so just proud of all the P-pop artists pursuing this route of sa industry. And nakaka-proud lang na we see them flourishing. But sa Bullets naman, thank you so much Bullets dahil andyan pa rin kayo sa pagsuporta sa amin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mas palakihin pa natin ang ating pamilya. Yeah.
Yes. And also, like what AJ said sa mga P-pop idols, huwag niyong kakalimutan na lumaban lang and talagang lumaban lang kayo, pray to God, kailangan niyo yan. And also, sa mga Bullets, mahal na mahal namin kayo. Thank you for not leaving us, for staying with us. And
To everyone in this industry, stay true to yourself. Palagi, don't forget why you started. Surround yourself with people in your personal life who really care about you, your mental health, and your physical health. Yeah. And sa lahat ng mga Bullets, like, palagi ko sinasabi, you guys have the evidence that our dreams are turning into reality. So thank you so much. We love you genuinely, and you really uplift us.